This is definitely the most detailed eye drawing tutorial you've ever seen. If you want to learn how to draw, don't miss this video. Prepare a charcoal pencil and follow my steps to draw together. Place 3 dots in the middle of the eye socket. Connect them with short curves. Draw the eyeball in the same way. Add highlights, pupils, and reflections. Next, connect the iris in the same way. Erase the guidelines and place them on top. Gradually draw the thickness of the eye. Gently converge towards the right. Draw the lower eyelid parallel to the eye socket. How can a beautiful eye not have double eyelids? Then reinforce the lines of the eye socket. Using a slanted pencil, add some depth to the eye. Apply a light tone to the thickness of the eye. The same technique applies to the middle of the double eyelid. You can draw it slightly wider with the same color. Next, take our blending brush and blend the colors. For those without a blending brush, you can use folded tissue or cotton swabs, or even your fingers to achieve the same effect. Place 3 dots in the iris. Draw the position of the pupil and highlights. Color the pupil with a darker shade. Add shading along the eyelid. Blend the colors gradually from right to left, darker on top and lighter. Apply shading along the eyelid. Gradually transition the color from right to left with more intensity on top and lighter at the bottom. Take our blending brush and blend the colors together. Remember to leave a small white area below the pupil. Then take our highlight pen and add highlights. Pay attention to the direction of the light source when adding highlights. Enhance the thickness of the eye. Now let's draw the eyelashes. When drawing eyelashes, remember the 3-to-1 cluster pattern. For those who are not familiar with drawing eyelashes, you can watch my previous video. It provides a detailed eyelash drawing tutorial and tips. Use short curves to outline the tears. Similarly, use a paper blending brush to blend the colors. Add highlights to the tears. That's all for today. I don't have much time left. I need to go teach my students. Have you learned it?